All right, it's together. Just nailed it together using 2-inch finish nails. Nailed the bottom board on first, then flipped it over and nailed this one on. Then added this, then added this, then added that one. The last one I brought the nails out a little bit more and slanted them in a little, or towards the back a little bit. But so looks great. There it is. So that's for the top of the window. We needed one more in the front. And the router setup with the router table worked really good. Really nice. It's a great router. Hopefully it holds up. But oh, I also did one little test. I was curious because a lot of the design, kind of an Eastlake design, we go in and then come out at the bottom to give it kind of this look. So I tried it with that bit to see what it would look like. Normally I do the bevel, but I tried it with this kind of more rounded look. It looks okay. I think I had seen this on the carriage house as Zehr stayed on the bottom. I think the original pieces that were on the bottom of the house, kind of like a board and batten effect, had this on them. So it is used. Pretty sure that's what it was. Okay, so we got both router tables. We can do either one at any time. And next trip to Lewistown, this will go on the front of the house.